Now, in the preparation of the study plan, this is where you need to look at your time allocation and you discipline yourself to be able to follow it. You cannot learn every time, but you need to ask yourself, when is my peak time? Okay, your peak time is the time where you are emotionally, psychologically, spiritually in sync. Okay, it's like all is well mentally. Because if you are suffering from broken heart, you can't study. Okay, if you're thinking about how your wife treated you in the morning and you open a book, nothing will stick. If you're thinking about the fact that you are not having a job and you need to get a new job, your brain is not working well and you may not be able to study effectively. And so, to put you in the position so that you can be of your best, you need to ask yourself, when am I of my best? Now, this means that you need to sit down and really look at your time. For some of you, maybe because of where you live and where you work, you may have to wake up around 4 a.m. and leave home around 6 a.m. or so, because you have to, by then you'll be able to get to work around 8:30, because you'll be stuck in traffic for 1.5 or 2 hours. I don't know why people do that though, but that's the play. And then when you do that, you close from work again at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. You will get home around 9 p.m. or something like that. So it depends. This is specialty. So you have to sit down and look at your time. Throughout the 24 hours, which time can I get? For many of you, it will be dawn and optimizing weekends. So for instance, at least in the next 12 weeks, you may have to make some sacrifices. That's okay, in the weekdays, at most by 10 p.m., you are in bed. So if you sleep by 10 p.m., 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hours. So by 4 a.m., you can get up and study between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m., 1 hour. It's okay. You can start with 30 minutes. You can start with 45 minutes. But this is a sacred time that you sit down to study something specific. And this is where the key summary videos will come in. This is where the practice question courses will come in. So it's a sacred time that you are spending to study something specific relating to the course that you are writing. Do you get the idea? For some of you, it could be lunch break. Maybe you work somewhere that you can have a lunch break of 1 hour or lunch break of 45 minutes, and maybe you wouldn't go for lunch. So you go to the boardroom or the staff room, and then you can be there for 30, 45 minutes, and you can learn something. For some of you, it will be weekend. So you may have to optimize your Saturdays and Sundays in the next 12 weeks to study. Unfortunately, many people have turned Saturday into a washing, funeral attending, and engagement ceremonies. Now, I'm not the one to tell you how the heck to live your life, but in the next 12 weeks, you have to make some sacrifices. Saturdays are not for washing. Okay? You need to optimize yourself and think like wealthy people do, highly successful people do, if you want to become successful. Because if you wake up Saturday morning, because some of you wake up Saturday morning around 6 a.m., you start washing from 6 a.m. and you finish around 11 a.m. So you are spending like 4 or 5 hours washing. Then the things are going to dry. Then you're going to iron them, or you iron every morning. All of that is productive times that you are wasting. So how do you optimize your Saturdays? How do you take care of your laundry? So maybe take your things to laundry. Let someone else help you do it. Or if you don't want to take your things to the laundry, then get a washing machine. Okay? Get a washing machine. If you have a washing machine, now you can put the things in the washing machine, pour your detergent and everything, turn everything on, soak, wash, rinse, what else? Spin and dry. So everything is automatically set depending on your how much money you have and the kind of washing machine you buy. So you have soak, you have wash, you have rinse, you have spin, you have dry. So everything is done. So the washing machine is working for whatever, 2 hours or 1 hour, 30 minutes, depending on the whatever settings you've selected. You are studying. So your laundry, the washing machine is doing its thing, and you are learning. That is productivity. That is how you save time. That is how wealthy people get advance themselves to become more successful. So instead of spending 5 hours every Saturday trying to wash, by the time you finish, your spinal cord is paining you and you cannot do anything again. Why not get a washing machine? So you optimize your time. It's a recommendation because if you want to become a high performance person, you want to become a chartered accountant, you want to take your life to the next level, you can't be spending 5 hours washing. I don't know. I don't care how you think about this, though. But if you want to become somebody who is successful, somebody who take your life to the next level, spending 5 hours to wash every Saturday is a waste of productive time. And if you have the right mindset, the right financial planning, and you put the right strategies in place, I can guarantee you can make that 5 hours a productive time. So the washing machine is doing anything. Or, like I said, take it to the laundry. Somebody is going to wash it, iron it nicely for you. You don't have to wake up every morning and be ironing things. So the 30 minutes or 45 minutes that you will spend every morning, because some of you, that's what you do every morning, you have to iron your dresses. The 30 minutes or 45 minutes you will spend every morning ironing things, now you can use that 30 minutes or 45 minutes to study. That is how wealthy people manage their time. That is how high performers take control of their destiny. That is how people who want to become successful in record time optimize their time to be more productive. There is no reward in spending 5 hours, 6 hours doing laundry by yourself. When you finish, you iron it again. There is no reward in that. You cannot take your life to the next level doing it. And so that is one thing I want you to understand. Allocate time and discipline yourself. You are not going to have the time available. So you have to remove distractions. And one of the key distractions for many people is the laundry. Then probably in the next 12 weeks, you may have to reduce some of your activities. You are there now, somebody calls you, hey, today is Auntie Polly birthday. Oh, Auntie Polly, oh, I forgot. We have to go. Then you dress, giddy, you go. Sunday, they call you, oh, today is Nhyira sorry for Okukurunku. Okay, hey, Nhyira sorry for Okukurunku. By the time you realize you were exhausted over the weekend, and it's already Monday, the day has started. And that is why many people don't get any time to study. But if you want to become successful, you have to optimize your life. You need to make some sacrifices. You have to be willing to say no to certain arrangements in the next 12 weeks so you can mind your business and take your life and your career to the next level. That's the fourth thing I want you to understand. Time allocation and discipline. So the question I want to ask you is this. Are you going to discipline yourself? Will you allocate as much time as possible in the next 12 weeks to put you in the position so you can go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination? Will you do it? It's on you. So if you learned something from this video, remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also see this. Most importantly, let me hear from you if there are any questions you have, or if you have any topic that you would want me to cover on the next episode, leave it in the comment section. I want to read from you. If you want to enroll as well in our courses to study under my mentorship for your ICA, ACCA, CIMA, or ICAG examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store to complete your enrollment. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or call us 050-114-9296. 050-114-9296. Complete your enrollment today to join our community. Let me hold your hand, provide you with the blueprints that you need with the team here. Let us assist you. This is our mission. This is what we do. This is what we are called for. And we have the resources, the skills, the expertise needed to help you to pass the examination. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to read more about us. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You want to get personal? Hit us with a DM or send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.